everyone, I'm Buddy Love. It is a dreary, nasty, rainy day here at Tumbler's Fall Locksport. Thank you for joining me for my third and final next level Masterlock pick, where I'll be picking this Masterlock 911. Here's the key bitting, and it's not too bad. There are a few things to note before we get started. Heavy spring tension on the core. Dead shackle you have to open manually. And the light tension necessary to pick the lock makes it very possible to pick it and not even know it's open. Okay, I'll be using the bottom of the keyway tension with a medium wiper insert and my go-to Peterson gem in 9/18 thousandths. I'll go to the back of the lock. I'll be levering off my finger and not the bottom of the lock, because if I lever off the bottom of the lock, you can see the tension wrench going up, giving a false impression of the spool. So I'll be levering off my finger instead. Light tension all the way to the back. Find pin 5. Counter, set, pin 4. Counter rotation, set, pin 3, counter rotation, set, pin 2. Feels like it's already set. Let's go to pin 1. Counter rotation on pin 1 and set, and maybe overset. I think I dropped something. Back to the back of the lock, light tension, check 5. Trying to keep in frame here, sorry guys. 4, and it's open. Okay, now the spring tension on this is so heavy, so I couldn't do it with top of the keyway. Every time I try to open it, I get halfway open and the tension wrench was just a little sloppy in the top. That would go flying out and I'd lose it and have to start all over again. So I use bottom. So I got a good grip on that, a good grip on my lock body, and I got to pull this open. Okay. Now we have an open. I can take everything out. Turn that core back. Alright. That's why this lock is so picky, so tricky to pick. Alright, let's gut this thing. You might notice a different background here. I've had to move to my workbench because I'm doing a master keying project at my pinning station. So I apologize for the lighting. Let's try to get this, go ahead and gut this thing, try to keep it in frame, part of the rules. Okay, try to dump everything out here. Alright, put this here, get the core out, don't need that. Set this to the side, that to the side, here's what we need. Alright, that's the main thing. Okay, let's get, well, let's take the clip out. Let me get my pickle fork. Sorry about that. Bumping the camera. The stir clip off. Trying to work around this camera is kind of difficult sometimes. I don't know how you guys do it. Alright, let's see. Follower. I don't want to use that one. Use this one. Okay. Yeah, I'll use that. Let me have the key. Lock it back up. So, key in it. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. Let's see what I'm doing a little better. Okay. Let's turn this like that, I guess. Alright. Alright, see if we can do this without... I'm not going to do it that way. I'll turn that just a little bit more. Do it this way. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Do this without having some kind of disaster. Nice. Alright, set that there. Get rid of this stuff. Pull the key out, set that to the side. Alright. pin 1, pin 2, and I'll show you a close-up of these in a little while. 4 standard, 5 standard, all standard. Doesn't seem to be anything done to the core, the standard core. Alright, let's see what we got in the top. Let me turn this a little bit. I've got this tripod poking me in the chest. Trying to work on it. I have to stand up at this bench. It's really tall, and my chair isn't tall enough. That's why I moved my master keying project to the pinion station, because I can sit down. It takes a while. I've got quite a few locks to master key. Okay. Alright. We have a spool in chamber 1, which I suspected was a spool in chamber 2. Trying to look through the camera, it's not working. Alright. Spool in chamber 3. Spool in chamber 4, spool in chamber 5, I'm sure, and there's the springs. Let's orient these. Come here, little booger. Alright. Spring. Missing the spring here. I can see it stuck down in whatever chamber that is, 1 or 5. Alright, nothing seems to be done to the core. I don't see any. It's just standard. There's no nothing done. So it's just standard. So this is what we have. This is a standard Master 911. Alright. To pick this up without losing everything, I'll show you what we have here. Chambers 1 through 5, key pins are standard, and all the driver pins are spools. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, subscribe and check out some of my future videos. Thank you for watching.